Hello friends, this is Sayyam, an engineering student, and I am excited to start my new YouTube channel. On this channel, I will upload videos about different tools that data analysts use in companies. Whether you are a tech student or a non-tech student, these videos will help you understand the tools clearly. So today we will begin with Power BI, one of the best tools for creating dashboards so companies can analyze their data effectively. In simple words, Power BI helps organizations understand their data better. With Power BI, you can create dashboards, publish them to your workspace, share them with others. So, I will guide you step by step on how to do all of these. But first, let's start with installation. For installing Power BI, go to the official website. So as you can see, there are two options here. So when you click on this link, it will directly open your Power BI app in cloud format or cloud or in cloud area. Or if you click on this, it will open this interface, and you can click on here to get started. And when you click on this, it will directly download your Power BI setup. And if you don't want to do this, then you can go to the Microsoft Store, and here you can click here for Power BI, or I can say search the Power BI, and you will get this app. Here you can install it. As of now, I have installed it, so I am not installing it. Okay, so after that, when you install this, you have to open this, but be careful, this is available only for Windows and Mac platform. So if you face any errors during installation, feel free to comment below, and I will help you to out. So at right now, I am power using Power BI desktop version. So for that, let's open it. uh, when you open this, you will see the interface. As you can see now, so it is basically look like a Excel and Word type, where you can open your new projects or old projects. At right now, click on the blank report. When you click on the blank report, you will see this type of entire interface. So here you can see the menu options like file, home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. And after that, you will see this report area. As you can see this area, where you can able to plot your all dashboards or plot your charts. After that, this is a page tab, where you can add more than pages. As you know about Excel, you are able to add pages in this way. After that, you have this visualization pane, where you can able to add different type of charts from here. Like as you can see, this is a pie chart, stacked column chart, stacked bar chart. As you can see, there is a filter option at here, where you can filter out your data. And here, this is a data option, where you can load your data set. I will tell you how all these things will work. When you come at this left side, you can see this is a table report view, table view, model view, DX query view, and this is a TMDL view. I will tell you how this all of these things will work in next video. But this is for today. I don't want you to learn everything in one go. In the next video, I will explain the ribbons available in the menu section in detail. So if you want to learn all these things step by step, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.